zipper build today, so you guys can see that those that's into coil building now. But just before we start, I think a quick breakfast is in order. Very nice. Some lemon and lime yogurt, and also received my brass goon from vapes. So this is actually what it looks like on top of the shimas. Lovely stuff. So yeah, what we're going to use today is I'm going to make use of 29 gauge wiring over there, okay, and I'm going to have pliers, and I'm going to use cutters. I'm going to use my coil art jig, okay, which is over there. It's my coil art, and I'll stick to my 30mm diameter because I actually enjoy that. My 3mm, holy crap sack, imagine how big 30mm is. 3mm. And then this tool, okay, this is the Daedalus, okay, the Daedalus tool, which is actually very convenient. Takes batteries at the bottom over there, as you can see, two 18650s. So yeah, it's very, very nice. You've got a clockwise and a counterclockwise function, and then you've got your speed control, which is situated there. Okay, it's a knob which you turn there. Okay, so yeah, you can put it on one side and switch to counterclockwise that side, and then obviously your speed control again. Okay, so these are the tools I'll be using. So let's go down and see what I'm going to do to make this zipper coil build. Okay, so the first thing which I did is I cut off 6 pieces of the 29 gauge wires, but you'll see it is extremely twisted. So each of these 6 I'm going to straighten now. 3 of them I'm going to straighten clockwise, and 3 of them I'm going to straighten anti-clockwise. So let's go down to see how I actually do that there. Okay, first thing which I'm going to do, if you have a look at the end of the wires, I'm just going to make a small little loop. Okay, just so that it actually goes in easier into the drill bit portion of the Daedalus, which I will open up and just insert it over there and then close it off. Okay, so on the other end you will see I've got the wire inside my pliers. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it a little bit there, curl it around so that I can have a grip on it. Okay, and then I'm going to hold it for fairly sturdy. All I want to do now is I just want to straighten these individual 6 wires which I've got. So 3 of them clockwise, 3 of them anti-clockwise. So if I turn the drill bit, if I pull it out a bit there, you'll see the pliers is on the one side and it's inside. So now just turn it a bit. And that should do it. Okay, so if I release now, the wire should be straight. As you can see, it is absolutely straight. It's not that twisted anymore. So this I will do with all 6 of them. Okay, so 3 wires here straightened anti-clockwise, and 3 wires here straightened clockwise. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put these 3 guys together, and then I'm going to do exactly the opposite what I did to them in the start, which means if I straighten them anti-clockwise, I'm going to bind them up together now clockwise. Same with these guys. If I straighten them clockwise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist them now anti-clockwise. So just remember that. Very important. Alright, so the sets of 3, I'm just going to put together like that on the point. Just going to bend them over, so the 3 of them is together, and then I'm going to insert them into the bit. Okay, so the one side into the bit over here, and the other side I've got them nicely tight. Okay, and I'll just bring it closer so you can see. So it's got them inside my clamp, and then I'm going to start twisting them. And you'll see it actually shrinks. And I think that looks good. Looks very good. Okay, so if I bring it up closer, actually see what it looks like. So if you can see it close, it's going to look like that. Now that is 3 29 gauge winded up. I wound them up, 3 of them together. Okay, and that I'm going to do with my other 3 as well. Okay, so what you end up with is 2 wires which look like this. Okay, so you got 3 29 gauges in each of them, and they just twisted up into different directions. Okay, but that's what it should look like. Okay guys, the last thing which we need to do is just use our pliers and just, as I said, just flatten them out a bit there. Just give them a bit of attention to detail. And we do that by switching it on and just sliding the pliers from the one side to the other side. Okay, and that process you do about 15 times. When you're done, you should have 2 wires that look like that. Right. Then you know you've done a good job. Okay, so let's coil them. Using my jig over there, putting these 2 of them through the hole over there. Come through the other side. Okay, they're the 2 wires together. What I did is I loosened this screw a bit there to make it stand out a bit more. So I can hopefully grab these 2 guys together, side by side. And yeah, and looking good. Okay, just want to show you before I actually put it in. This is one which I did a previous time. Okay, that's what it looks like over there. So I will put in the new one. So you can see the only difference is this one I actually used a 26 gauge, whereby I decided it's too thick. I don't really like the appearance, so that's why I'm going with the 29 this time. Okay, so I just want to show you why I love this goon deck so much. I mean, just look at that amazing horizontal post. I mean, you can basically put any build through these things. They lift up extremely high, but I mean, it's just so nice, so much more convenient than the velocity posts. Love it. Goon's great. Okay, so I'll just straighten it out and heat it up, see how it goes. Right, this thing, guys, is coming in at 0.35 ohms and it heats up like a beast. Okay, it's on 90 watts on the hot sig. Yeah. So we're going to coil and test it. Brilliant. Oh, nice glow. Can go camping with this glow. Right, very excited to try this guy. All toughed up. Put on some juice. This is some Tropico. Just love this fruit mix. Nice. There you go. Good, 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 good. Right, oh, beast. What a beast. What a beast. Okay, let's try it out, guys. Okay. 70 watts. Do it. Holy crap-a-moly. Okay, let's take it down to 60. Sure, this thing vapes incredible. Holy, oh, I love the zipper board. Such nice taste. Okay, do it at 60. Still beastly, beastly. All right, I'm just going to close one of the holes just to make it a bit more constricted. Clouds for days. Right, guys, that was a zipper build. I hope you guys gain some knowledge out of it. Hope you try it. Strip some more loveliness on you. And yeah, it's a very nice build. It's got a very nice taste. It's not that hard to do. You only need one type of wire. As I said, you can do it with the 26. I did it with the 26, but I didn't like it was too big. too big for me. That's why I went with the 29s. So that's all you need is one spindle of wire, 29 gauge, and then you cut yourself 6 parts of that. 3 of them you twist in one direction, 3 of them twist in the other direction, coil them up. It's a beautiful build. It looks very nice, and it's very easy to do. All right, so enjoy your weekend. Cheers. See you on the forums again.